Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get facecam on Roblox. So whether you're using a phone or a PC, it's the same steps to get facecam. So just click on this three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. Now you have to go to in privacy. Once you're in the privacy, you just need to click on this camera permission from here. In camera permission input, you have to enable the camera from privacy, and once you enable it, now you don't need to verify your age, or you don't need a photo ID or anything to get facecam on Roblox. Like we need a verification, we need to verify our age to get voice chat, but in case of facecam you don't need to do that. The green dot indicates that the Roblox is using a camera, so just need to open any game that supports facecam. So let's open any game. Like this game supports facecam, so let's try this feature on this game. So once you open our game, and to get facecam you just need to you will see this here, the beta option at next to the Roblox icon. It means the camera is open and the beta features are open and open to use. Just click on Roblox and click on this face icon here to get facecam. And as you can see, this is how it looks. So I just have a bad avatar, so it won't see much because I just black out everything in the avatars to try something, experiment with the. I was just experimenting with the avatars face and body, so that's why I just changed it to this, and I just don't realize. So this is how it looks. Fine. This is the facecam you can get, and it also comes with background without background, as you can see. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.